Today's topic is प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व, यानी कि उत्पादन संभावना कर्व। तो व्हाट इज मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व? प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व is a curve showing a different combination of two goods which can be produced with given resources and technique. तो प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी curve is a curve showing a different combination of two goods which can be produced with given resources and technique. This is a definition of production possibility curve. Short name is PPC. Production possibility curve is a curve showing a different combination of two goods which can be produced with given resources and technique. प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व क्या है? प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व क्या शो करता है? ये दो वस्तुओं के विभिन्न संयोगों को प्रदर्शित करता है जो प्रोड्यूस की जा सकती हैं, जो बनाई जा सकती है, जो मैन्युफैक्चर की जा सकती है दिए हुए रिसोर्स यानी साधनों से और टेक्निक से। दे आर assumption क्या है इसके? दे आर assumption. फर्स्ट वन, resources are given. Resources are given. Second, and have alternative negative uses. Second one, resources are fully and efficiently utilized. Third one, technology remains constant. There are three assumptions of PPC. Resources are given. Resources दिए हुए हैं और उन resources के विभिन्न उपयोग हैं. Resources are fully and efficiently utilized. Resources जो है पूर्ण रूप से और कार्यकुशलता पूर्वक इनका यूटिलाइज किया जाता है और टेक्निक जो है वो दी हुई है उसमें चेंज नहीं किया जाता है। तो रिपीट अगेन, प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व इज ए कर्व showing a different combination of two goods which can be produced with given resources and technique. There are three assumptions of PPC. First one, resources are given and have an alternative uses. Resources are fully and efficiently utilized and technology remains constant. There are three assumptions of PPC. Now I am going to describe table of PPC. wheat and rice, they are apple and wheat भी कह सकते हैं apple and wheat. There are two commodities which can be produced with given resources. Apple 100, wheat 0. Apple 90, wheat 10. Apple 70, wheat 20. Apple 40, wheat 30. Apple 0, wheat 40. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 combination of two goods like apple and wheat. 100, 0, 90, 0, 70, 20, 40, 30, 0, 40. There are 5 combination of two goods which can be produced with given income or given resources and technique. We will show wheat OX axis 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 और ये 100. This is a OY axis. We show apples. OX axis shows wheat. 100, apple 100, but wheat 0. Apple 90, wheat 10. Apple 70, wheat 20. Forty, 30, 40 and 30. 0 and 40. This is a different combination of two goods which shows combination of two goods. It is called concave curve. A, B, C, D, E. There are 4 points which show combination of two goods, apple and wheat. Next topic is properties. Properties of PPC. There are two properties, there are two characteristics of PPC. First one is its slopes downward, left to right. Second one, it is concave to the point of origin. There are two properties of PPC. It slopes downward, left to right. Second one, it is concave to the point of origin. So why it slopes downward, left to right? Why it's concave to the point of the origin? So first one, slope downward. Why slope downward? Why slope downward? इसका स्लोप ऊपर बाएं से नीचे दाईं ओर क्यों आता है? when we uses more resources, when we uses more resources to produce wheat, then we sacrifice some units of apple. So PPC curve slopes down left to right. When we produce more wheat, then we decrease some units of apple. So it slopes downward and down, up to down, and increase left to right. So it slopes downward left to right. Second one, concave. Concave slope, concave. When we produce more and more, when we produce more units of wheat, then we sacrifice some units of apple. In which rate? It means when we produce more and more units of wheat, then we sacrifice some unit of apple in increasing rate. Like 100 0, 90 10, 70 20, 40 30, 0 40, decrease 10, decrease 20, decrease 30, decrease 40. When we produce more and more units of wheat, then we sacrifice some units of apple. Sacrifice some units of apple in increasing rate. So it slopes downward left to right, and it is concave to the point of origin. This is that question which is completed by me. Bas.